Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make an amazing hair treatment. This treatment helps to thicken hair, it helps to stimulate hair growth and also help to treat hair problems you have like hair thinning and bald spots. This treatment is not a joke. As you can see, the first ingredient we have is rosemary. I will be making use of dry rosemary leaves. You can also use fresh rosemary. Just make sure to use whatever you have. Rosemary is very stimulating. Research shows that rosemary can help to stimulate hair growth and help to treat hair problems like hair thinning and hair loss. So if you haven't yet tried rosemary, you need to give it a try. We will also be needing onions for this recipe, and with me here I have 2 small onions. You can also use 1 onion, and again you can also use white onion. It's not necessarily to use red onion. Just make sure to use whatever onion you have, but for me I prefer using red onion because it is high in sulfur. Sulfur is very important and it helps to thicken hair naturally. So using onions to your hair care routine helps to thicken hair and also help to combat hair loss and strengthen hair from root to tip. So right now I'm just cutting onions into small pieces before I proceed into the preparation of this amazing treatment. So if you haven't used onions, you need to give them a try and you will be surprised how thick your hair will grow. So after preparing my ingredients, I'm moving to the next step and I'm adding them to a pot. I'm adding just a few scoops of rosemary. There is no any specific measurement to use. Just use any quantity of your choice depending on the amount you want to make. And now I'm adding some water, about 1.5 cup. I'm not going to be making a lot of this because if you make a lot, um it can go bad, especially if you use it more than 5 days. You don't need to use this more than 5 days because it get bad and it loses the potency. So I went ahead and transferred everything to a stove, and now I'm letting everything boil and until the water changes the color. You don't need to cook this for long. You can also decide to not cook this, just use hot water and infuse everything with hot water if you don't want to cook, but whichever method is okay, provided you don't cook for long to destroy the important nutrient. So I went ahead and removed everything from heat and I allowed the treatment to cool down, and now I'm straining out. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying it, and if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Also share this video and hit that bell notification so you will always be notified every time I upload a new video. Right now I'm going to transfer the spray into an applicator bottle, and after that I will go ahead and show you guys how I use this treatment on my hair. So I'll be explaining also the ways you can use this in order to achieve the amazing benefits. So keep watching and enjoy the video. So I will be using this as a leave-in. I always like to use my treatment as leave-in so that I achieve all the amazing benefits. So as you can see, I'm applying from the roots, from the scalp first. Once I spray, I use my fingers to massage it in a little bit to hydrate my scalp. Then after that, I move to the hair strands, work from the root to tips, making sure that I squeeze it in because my hair is really dry. So I like every time I spray the treatment, I take time to squeeze it in so that all the sections get oil hydrated. The importance of using this as a leave-in will help to nourish your scalp, also will help to strengthen your hair. So whenever you use a leave-in treatment as a leave-in, it will help to combat all the hair problems you have, especially hair loss, and also will help to thicken hair where you have thinning hair. So if you want to achieve all the amazing benefits, then it is important to be using the treatment as leave-in treatment. You can also use this as a tea rinse. After you shampoo your hair, then go ahead and apply this uh, all over your hair and scalp and massage. And after that, you can cover your hair with a plastic bag and leave for about 30 minutes, and then you can rinse it off with water. But it's after shampooing so that you achieve all the amazing benefits, especially if you have your hair is shedding. So that way you will benefit from using this as a tea rinse. But if you want to achieve all the amazing benefits, then use it as a leave-in treatment, and I guarantee you that your hair will grow thicker and also stronger. So once you apply this, you can go ahead and apply a leave-in treatment and then seal in the moisture with hair oil or hair butter. I always don't like to skip that step and always follow up with that step so that your hair won't dry out. So after this, I will just go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner and then follow with oil to seal in moisture of the camera. So using this spray at least 2 to 3 times a week will help you to grow thicker and longer hair. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if so, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.